Hi, this is CorsoMotion. These are the custom LED taillight kits for Victory Vision. This is the plug and play version. And this is the plug. The plug already soldered on the module. The module already soldered on the LED board. And then this is the switch module for left and right. There's no direction. You can put it left and right with no problem. And this is the waterproof connector. So after you put this module in the taillight housing, put this plug onto the top side of the taillight turn signal side with this, and then not the middle one, the bottom one, you need to put this on the bottom side of the plug. And then you need to make one hole on the taillight for this switch module, and then you need to plug this one in here and then pull out these things on the back side of the taillight, and then plug this waterproof connector, and then with this plastic enclosure, and you can place this in the outside of the taillight, inside of somewhere in your back side of the motorcycle. Okay, this is the right side of the taillight housing. This is the product. This is for turn signal, 2 lines, and goes to the top side. Then these 3 wire ones are bottom side. This is custom fit, so it fits well. And you can place the LEDs like that, and then you can put the silicone on the edge of the PCBs, or if you can solder, you can solder some iron wires on these spots. These are blank spots, and then you can melt the iron wire with this plastic surface, and then you need to make one hole somewhere, and then need to pull out this switch cable. And the hole you make, and then this wire needs to come out, and then connect the switch wire, and you need to place this switch somewhere in the back side of the inside of the motorcycle somewhere. And after that, follow this turn signal wire, and these are the turn signal plus and ground. And we will put the pair of the load resistor or load equalizer. These are plus and minus, it doesn't matter. Plus and minus, minus plus doesn't matter. You need to wire this load equalizer, load resistor between these two lines. Turn signal plus and minus. That's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please email us at contact@CorsoMotion.com. Thank you very much. Bye bye.